Yes, you can unlock Duolingo Super for free with a coupon code. If you are learning a new language and want to add free experience with extra feature, then this video is for you. I'll show you how to get Duolingo Super free using the official method and coupon offer. No hack, no fake misleading claim, just a clear, honest guide and easy to follow. Let's start the video.
TechPolestar is your trusted source for verified digital tools. We deliver premium digital products at affordable prices with instant access and 24/7 support. Enjoy a secure, seamless, and worry-free shopping experience. Visit techpolestar.com today for reliable digital solutions at unbeatable value.
Here you can see I have this magic link. By this link, you will get 1 month free Duolingo. So I will give this magic link in this video description and on a YouTube, on a Telegram channel and WhatsApp group also. And for premium private content that is not available on YouTube and few things I can discuss publicly, join our WhatsApp group and Telegram channel. Links are in this video description. So first of all, go to link and click on this claim offer. So type here your age, then type here your name, which is optional, and email address and password. So let's then click on create account. Welcome to Super Duolingo. Start learning with Super. So simply select anything, and here you can see I had already created a video about this 2 months ago, but that coupon code is expired. Here you can see the old videos 3 months ago. Simply select anything, click on continue. And you can cross this to go to profile section. Here you can see your subscription will be expired on May 10, 2026. So it does not ask for anything, card detail or anything. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the 𝐓𝐰𝐢𝐭𝐚 YouTube channel for more simple, honest and free deal like this. Hit the like button and turn on bell so you never miss an update. And for even better deal and detailed guide, make sure to visit techpolestar.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.